What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Just a quick recap on what we did last time. So right now I have this entire side done. Okay, last time I showed you guys how to do the front fender, or how I did the front fender and how I did the rear quarter panel. I didn't really show the over fenders or the door handle. So today what I'm going to be doing, and unfortunately there's a couple of air bubbles I've got through here. Not sure if the camera is going to pick them up. It's actually quite a bit. Just right in this section right around here, because I basically didn't wrap it quick enough after I washed it and dust and stuff got under it. I'm okay with that. Maybe one day I'll rewrap it. But yeah, so I'm not going to be wrapping any of the parts of the car today on this side. As you can see, wow, look at the difference. I'm not going to be wrapping any of the parts of the actual car. Today I'm just going to be wrapping the over fenders. So that's what I'm going to be doing to start off this video. Because they're easy to clean. I can just clean it off real quick with some degreaser and stuff. Try to get all the paint off of here because those will show up. I just scraped those off, and that worked out pretty good on the other side. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, is both of the over fenders. Alright, so I just finished up this over fender. Could be better. I really screwed up in the beginning there by not cutting it right. Let's see, I had one rip there on that thing. Besides that, it's not too bad. Overall pretty good. Vinyl went down pretty good. I did a pretty good job at that. But yeah, like I said, just screwed up in the beginning, just being an idiot. Sometimes I swear I literally like blank out so hard, and I'm like, I mess stuff up, and then I go back to it. I'm like, wow, that was really dumb. So, oh well. Now I gotta do the rear. So this is a cool little trick I'm doing. Let me just make sure you're zoomed out. This is a cool little trick I'm doing. So I'm basically gonna stop for now. I didn't do this quarter panel or this over fender. I literally just got too lazy, and I just kind of well, I didn't get too lazy. I kind of just ran out of time. So I'm gonna have to pick it back up later. So I took a little tape, and I have sections that I've already cut off. This is front right for the front right fender, and I labeled them basically is what I'm trying to say. This is rear right quarter panel. So just a cool little trick. I'm gonna keep them in my car, just because I'm always all over the place because I go between my mom's and dad's house. So I basically live out of my car, if you really think about it. So yeah, let's fast forward to when I start working on it next.
Inspired. Fight.